Hi guys, today let's make this delicious spicy chicken teriyaki. Let's start with the sauce. 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of spicy chili crisps, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of sriracha. And mix them well. And the sauce is ready. Let's move on to chicken. I'm using about 2.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. Remove skin and fat if there's any, then cut your chicken. About 1.5 inch by 1/4 inch thick. Season the chicken with 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and black pepper. Stir them around. Then season the other side of the chicken with 1 more 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and black pepper. So total 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Stir the chicken around. Okay, everything is ready. Let's cook the chicken now. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil at medium-high heat. When your pan is hot, pour your chicken in it. And you should hear the sizzling sound. Cook the chicken about 5 minutes until you don't see any pink. When the chicken is ready, turn the heat off and take the chicken out. Do you see the chicken juice? Discard the liquid. And clean the pan. One tablespoon of cooking oil on the pan at medium-high heat. Pour all the sauce in and cook until the sauce gets bubbly. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, the sauce is bubbly. Now we are going to put the chicken back into the pan. When you put the chicken back in, do not put any liquid in it, only the meat. See? Discard the liquid. Stir the chicken around and cook with the sauce for about 3 to 5 minutes. And this is it. The spicy chicken teriyaki is all done and ready to eat. Oh, this is spicy chicken teriyaki. It's just so delicious. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.